Hello and welcome to another episode with another car in Adil's Miniature Motoring Marvels. Today's car is very special, very evocative, very rare. It is a car which was built for one of the Middle East's biggest and most well-known political personality, the King of Iraq. Not the Shah of Iran, mind you, but the King of Iraq. And he had a propensity for Mercedes-Benz cars. This shining bullet which you see here is one of the 342 examples of the Mercedes-Benz 500K. Out of the 342 examples which Mercedes-Benz built of the 500K, 18 were drive-away chassis cars which went to the coach building firm of Erdmann and Rossi. And this is one of those 18 strikingly different, completely fully fendered wheel openings, spats on both the front as well as the rear wheels, two-seater coupe, very rakish, and a car which was sensual, which was very powerful in its presence, and it really ran like a dream as well. The King of Iraq had a lot of Mercedes-Benz cars, some gifted to him, some which he bought for his state use. And this car was a companion to a couple of more 500Ks and also the 540Ks which came later on. During World War II, it was there still in Iraq, and after World War II, this car went back to Daimler-Benz for a complete refit job. It was done, brought back to Iraq, and later on, it was sold away. I managed to find the very car which still stays in the excellent Speyer Technik Museum in Germany. I had gone there a few years ago. This car resides there, and it is imposing to look, not just because of the way it is styled, but because this Rhapsody in silver is so intrinsic for its era. It had the power, it had the pace, and yes, when you come to think about it, Erdmann and Rossi were, along with Spohn, some of the builders of some of the most evocative bodies from German coach builders before the Second World War. This model is 1:18 scale by CMF. I got it just a couple of days ago, and I always wanted to have a couple of rare 500Ks and 540Ks in my collection. This is one of them, and it bears reference to wide, sweeping, big fenders, a lot of great detail in the cockpit when you'll get to see in that way. The typical Mercedes-Benz attention to what was deemed as luxury in the times. It's a full racing model, very well sculpted, very well proportioned, sits well, and of course I've still not fitted the two rear view mirrors which mount on to the windscreen frames, as well as the three-pointed star because it's so delicate. But yes, it forms part of a very important milestone for Mercedes-Benz and especially for the W29 500K series. If ever you get a chance to acquire one of these, you should, because it is one of its kind, the only one built and only one yet surviving to this day in Germany. If you like this episode, which speaks about a great milestone motor from Mercedes-Benz, do write in and let me know. My website is now live and kicking. It is adiljal.com. You can also find me on Twitter, and Instagram using my handle at Adil Jal. Would love to hear from you all, and please do write in and tell me whether the descriptions which I give, the subjects which I put across, you find them interesting. Most importantly, we may be under unlockdown 2. I don't think we are going anywhere really far right now. So please do take utmost care, stay safe, and more importantly, be happy.